Exploring Showrunner AI, the future of content creation. In a groundbreaking move, Amazon's Alexa fund has ventured into uncharted territory by investing in a startup that's revolutionizing content creation. This startup, Fable, has developed a tool named Showrunner, which they ambitiously claim will transform the entertainment industry by enabling anyone to generate animated TV shows from simple text prompts. The implications of this technology are vast, potentially reshaping the landscape of storytelling and content creation. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that this could lead to the displacement of human creativity and talent. Let's explore the ins and outs of Showrunner and its potential impact on the filmmaking community. Diving into Showrunner, the AI-powered content creator. Imagine a world where you can type a script or a simple prompt, and an AI transforms it into a fully animated show, complete with dialogue and voice acting. This is the promise of Showrunner, a platform powered by Fable's proprietary AI. The tool allows users to write, direct, and edit their own animated content, potentially democratizing the filmmaking process. To showcase the tool's capabilities, Fable created AI-generated episodes of South Park, which went viral, but were later removed due to copyright claims. Now, with Amazon's backing, Showrunner is set to launch to the public, offering original, interactive shows that users can customize with their own prompts. The Netflix of AI, a new era of interactive storytelling. Fable's CEO, Edward Sachi, envisions a future where fans can create new episodes of their favorite shows, placing themselves and their friends in the action. This concept blurs the line between creator and consumer, aiming to put users in the driver's seat to craft their own episodes of beloved TV shows. However, this raises questions about the quality of AI-generated content and its potential impact on traditional filmmaking. While Fable is in talks with major studios like Disney to license their intellectual property, the technology is not yet available for public use. The filmmaker's perspective, opportunities and challenges. For filmmakers, the advent of AI-powered content creation tools like Showrunner presents both opportunities and challenges. On the one hand, it could lower the barrier to entry for aspiring creators, allowing them to bring their stories to life without the need for a massive budget or a studio deal. It could also serve as a powerful pre-visualization tool, enabling filmmakers to create animated storyboards or rough cuts of their films in a matter of minutes. Additionally, Fable plans to share revenue with creators whose work is built upon by other users, potentially creating new revenue streams for independent filmmakers. On the other hand, the rise of AI in content creation raises concerns about job displacement, copyright and IP issues, and the soulless AI debate. The potential for AI to replace writers, animators, and voice actors is a major point of contention, as seen in recent strikes by the Writers Guild of America and SAG-AFTRA. Moreover, the unauthorized use of copyrighted material, as demonstrated by the South Park episodes, highlights the risks of copyright infringement. Lastly, the question remains whether AI can truly create art or if it will always be a soulless imitation of human creativity. The future of filmmaking, adaptation and innovation. Amazon's investment in Fable Showrunner signals a significant shift in the entertainment industry, indicating that AI-powered content creation is being taken seriously by major studios. This means that filmmakers must also take it seriously and adapt to new technologies to thrive in this new era. However, the success of AI in content creation hinges on its ability to produce original, high-quality content that resonates with audiences. Companies like Fable need to demonstrate the true potential of AI in storytelling, not just talk about it. For the industry to embrace these revolutionary changes, the future of filmmaking will undoubtedly be different, and those who are willing to embrace change and innovation will be the ones to succeed. What are your thoughts on the role of AI in content creation? Do you think it will enhance or diminish the art of storytelling? Share your insights in the comments below. Amazon's Netflix of AI investment. What's behind Fable's Showrunner? When it comes to the tech world's obsession with artificial intelligence, sometimes you have to wonder if innovation has jumped the shark. Here's why. Amazon, one of the biggest players in the game, has just thrown its financial weight behind a startup that claims to be the Netflix of AI. But here's where it gets controversial. Does the world really need another flashy AI tool that seems designed more for novelty than necessity? According to a report by Variety, https variety.com/2025 digital news, Netflix of AI, Amazon invests Fable, Showrunner launch 123647189. Amazon.com Inc. has made an undisclosed investment in Fable, a Bay Area-based company that's making waves with its new service called Showrunner. https://www.showrunner is a groundbreaking platform, a sort of creative studio powered entirely by AI. The idea is to give users the ability to craft their own animated stories and series with minimal effort. Sounds impressive, right? But let's dig deeper. So, what exactly does Showrunner do? Well, imagine having access to a virtual production studio that lives inside your computer or smartphone. That's the pitch. As described on the company's LinkedIn page, https://www.linkedin, Showrunner is an AI-driven platform that allows anyone, from amateur creators to seasoned storytellers, to create, watch, and even personalize entire series or individual episodes. It essentially democratizes content creation, putting tools once reserved for Hollywood professionals into the hands of everyday users. Here's how it works. Users can input simple keywords or prompts, and the system will generate scenes or full episodes of animated shows. You can either start from scratch, building something entirely original, or lean on existing templates based on popular TV formats. For example, if you've ever wanted to make your version of a classic sitcom but lacked the technical skills or budget, Showrunner promises to handle all the heavy lifting for you. And since it launched publicly this week, early adopters are already experimenting with the platform via its Discord community, https://discord.com/invite/showrunner. But let's pause for a moment and ask the big question. Is this truly revolutionary, or just another overhyped addition to the crowded AI landscape? On paper, Showrunner sounds like a dream come true for aspiring filmmakers and hobbyists who lack resources. However, critics might argue that such tools reduce creativity to algorithmic outputs, stripping away the human touch that makes storytelling so compelling. After all, can a machine genuinely replicate the emotional depth and nuance of a well-crafted narrative? Or does it merely mimic patterns without understanding their meaning? And this is the part most people miss. While platforms like Showrunner aim to lower barriers to entry for creators, they also raise ethical questions about authorship and intellectual property. If someone uses pre-existing templates to create a story, who owns the final product? The user, the platform, or the original creators of the source material? These gray areas can spark heated debates as AI continues to blur the lines between inspiration and imitation. Ultimately, Amazon's backing of Fable's Showrunner signals a growing trend among tech giants to invest heavily in AI-driven entertainment solutions. But should we cheer or cringe at this development? Are we heading toward a future where creativity becomes commoditized, or will these tools empower a new generation of storytellers? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think Amazon's move is visionary? Or is it just another eye-roll-worthy attempt to cash in on the AI hype? Share your opinions in the comments below.